Yo, what is up, guys? Welcome back to my channel. Today I'll be teaching you how to trim in Excel. So the trim function makes sure that make sure your function do your function do not returns error due to unruly spaces. It ensures that all empty spaces are eliminated. Unlike other functions that can operate on range of cells, Trim only operates on single cell. Therefore, it comes with the downside of adding duplicate data in your spreadsheet. So, to apply Trim, I have made a spread chart in which I have created uh, Poland spaces, India spaces, 56 China's space, 99 spaces Japan. So to trim it, we need to apply the formula is equal to trim tab. Now, as we read above, that trim only applies on one cell at a one time. So we need to select the cell, which is sorry, and select the form trim. Now we need to select the cell to which we want to trim F7, and now we will close the braces and enter. So here we go. As you can see that earlier it has too many spaces between Poland and 20, and now it has only one space between uh, Poland and 20. So the line which we read above, that trim only works on one cell at a time. That does not mean that we cannot drag the same same uh, formula in the same row if we can drag it only uh, when there is a chain of the data. Suppose like we have Poland, then the chain of data forms when the India, China, and Japan comes. So select now, take the cursor to the to the front of the country name and uh, leave the cursor, and here we can find that we get our country names. India one as normal, and 56 spaces 56 China, 99 spaces Japan, 99 Japan. So that's it for this video, guys. And want to if you want me to make any other videos on any other topics, please do comment down, and please do like, share, and subscribe my channel and videos, as it motivates me a lot to as it motivates me a lot to make more videos like this. Thank you guys for watching my video.